So he was using this Stanley all day, the batteries, and now he's using this unscrew. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try to imagine I'm using this tool right here, right, to unbolt that big bolt, and I don't have any room here to actually use it, so I'm gonna do only 1/2 an inch to remove, right? But I got this tool now. It works with the DeWalt battery, ACROPOW. All right, let's see. We're gonna do unboxing. But I have this tool now. I mount it here. And it's off, just like that. And also it has a lot of torque, so you have to hold on the both hand, because as you can see it slipped out and scratched up. It's 2 bolts. So yeah, really these axle bolts are very hard to unscrew. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try to the both hand. Oh, without any issues. This one's loose now. Ooh. Yeah, that's it. Easy to use. Oh, another day my son was working on this bike. He made all the transmission, all that stuff here, replaced it. Now he's working on this bike, and this bike has to be replaced on the top end. So he was using the Stanley all day, crashing. So I bought him this tool right here. Yesterday he took it off. He actually put the back axle, tied the chains. I did a lot of work. He removed this tire from that bike, and he's very happy. He says one of the best thing he ever got. So I have a bunch of DeWalt tools, the batteries, and now he's using this. Actually this is a built like solid. It's a big tool. I thought on the picture it's gonna be a lot smaller, but it's not. Actually it's big. So it twists like left and right, so unscrews and tight, and has a LED light here, so it's gonna be lit up wherever place you're working. And this one's a multi-speed, as you can see, a little bit touch. It's gonna be slow turn. 2, 3, 4, 5. I think 6 or 7 speed, and this one's locked. It's a brushless motor. I think I'm gonna use a lockless tool for sure.